Good morning, sir. I am Manish Neja from Expand Batch. Today, my task is to explain 7.1p. As my first question is, what is the role of inheritance and polymorphism in this code? Like, the transaction class serves as the base class for all the transaction types: withdraw transaction, deposit transaction, transfer transaction. This allows the common functionality to perform or define one's interface across different transaction types. Each transaction type inherited from the transaction class with this behavior specific to the transaction type. For example, withdraw transaction and deposit transaction implements methods for executing and rolling back, and withdrawal and deposit simultaneously. And in the polymorphisms allow a single method to behave differently based upon the type of the object operated. In the case, execute and rollback method is the transaction class overridden by the each subclass. Withdraw transaction and deposit transaction and transfer transaction to provide specialized behavior of executing and rolling back to each other of the type of transaction. The bank class utilizes polymorphism when it calls execute and rollback function for transactions. Since these methods are polymorphic, the appropriate implementation based on the actual type of the transaction object evoked at the runtime. Now, my second question is performing any kind of transaction. The bank class contains a method execute transaction and that accepts an object of type transaction. This method can execute any type of transaction because it calls the overridden execute method specific to the transaction type passed to it without knowing that exact type of transaction at that compile time. And my another question is to what type of changes I want for new transaction type. To include the new transaction type, bank class should need to create a class inherit from transaction, implement the necessary functionality specific to the new transaction type such as execute and rollback methods, modify the bank class handling the new type of transaction type by updating methods like execute and print transaction history to recognize the work with the task. Now, my another question is advantages of inheritance. Inheritance promote a modular design by organizing classes into hierarchy, making it easier to manage and maintain code. An advantage of polymorphism is polymorphism can lead to cleaner and more readable code by reducing the need for conditional statements based on the object types and promoting a more intuitive object oriented design. Thanks.